I hope now you understand that Siddhi from sadhana is a gradual process. So far you have attempted a small anusthana of mantra-japa. Note that along with this, you will also have to endeavor self-discipline and self-refinement. The following 5 modes of upāsanā will help your progress. Make these an integral part of your routine. Of these 5 upāsanas, so far you have been given exposure to japa, dhyana, and swara upāsanā here. These are universal in the sense that these are foundational in every religion, every path to spiritual ascent. Japa, a universal upāsanā. Japa corresponds to repeated rhythmic chanting of mantras, or God's names and prayers, that were initially realized or uttered by great saints. It is an essential part of religious practices and devotional support along every line of faith. You can find the Hindus, Muslims, Christians holding the rosary and doing japa as preached in their scriptures. The Sikhs, Jainis, Buddhists, Jews, Zoroastrians, Parsis, Arya Samajis, etc. also practice japa in one form or the other. Therefore, japa is a universal mode of upāsanā. You should therefore continue with the japa of the great Gayatri mantra. Only thing you must remember is that it should not be a mechanical action of movement of the tongue and lips. Your prana should flow with its rhythm. This will happen if you continue to do it with the spirit of intrinsic joy and unperturbed faith. The other 4 modes of sadhana, upāsanā, which I am going to discuss now, will lend the necessary support in your spiritual ascent and thus augmenting your worthiness for higher level sadhanas. Likewise, japa, these methods do not emanate from any particular doctrine and therefore do not belong only to a particular cult or religion.